but apologize for echoing. I'm gonna talk slowly. So today, how to trade crypto for beginners. I'm gonna use CoinW as our exchange, partnership exchange. So what you see here, we're gonna do the futures trade. Yeah, we're gonna do the futures trade. And first beginning, you have the order book in here. All right. So this is order book. This is what people try to buy and what people try to sell in here. So if you see like the price moving, start from the closest one. This is the middle price, which is right now for Bitcoin is 99534, and what people selling is right now 9347, and then this is 9467. It's quite tight for Bitcoin. So this is the middle price. So how to get the middle price? If you want the middle price, you have to enter like the way like the market. But if you just want your price, let's say you want to buy Bitcoin around 99, you have to do limits in here. All right. So this is the order book for that. But I rarely use this. I don't really care about the order book, to be honest, because all I care is the chart. All I care is the price action, the one that in here. So usually you have you must have this one, trading view. So actually it's free, but if you want the extra indicator to help you like analyze the market, you have to pay the plus or the premium, which is mine is the plus and the premium. And but if you free, you only can use two indicator at the same time, but mine can open until like 50 something, like this is 17, and some layouts I got like 50 or something, like or 22 or something I got. But I rarely use it all at the same time, different strategy. But right now we market looks good. Market looks good. Bitcoin tried to break 100k, and all right. So in here, the chart in here, you have the original, which is from the original from the CoinW, and this is the trading view chart. And I prefer sometimes I prefer check, since I don't see this thing much, and I use this to just open position. So let me tell you something. What is the difference between cross and isolate? All right. If isolate and you only use to margin the one that available only on the futures wallet, so you're not gonna screw the margin on the spot market, because sometimes some exchange they have multiple wallet, which is the one they split the one that in the spot in futures. So if isolate, you just only use the one that in here. All right. So but me, since I'm kind of like degen, I'm using cross mode. So for backups, I still got funds a lot, the one that in the spot for me. And you also do merge or split. This is the beauty of CoinW. Some exchange you need to VIP plus something to get the split. The beauty of CoinW, you can do like the split position without VIP or doing something, and this is the leverage. All right, if split, you can on CoinW you can maximum open 5 position in the same coin, and at the in the 5 position, that one you can like long short until it's 5, until hit the limit is 5, maximum of 5. So maybe you can have like 3 short, 2 longs if you want, if you guys wanna hedging mode, which is I don't recommend for beginner, but at first I prefer splits, so because it's good for DCA. And last but not least, we got leverage, and the leverage is don't think leverage as your friend. Remember guys, don't think leverage as your friend. Okay, because leverage is only the tools to borrowing some money. Okay, okay, let's sample. If you only use one, that mean when you open like size 100, you only use the capital of the 100 bucks. All right. So you're not borrowing shit. You're not borrowing shit. But if you used to, so it's gonna double. It's gonna double. if you used to, okay, if you used to, you're gonna double. Okay, look at the cost. It only use your own margin around $50, but you can open size around 100 USD. So your initial margin is like only like 49. So don't think this as your friend, think this as your enemy. The higher, and remember guys, every leverage only have fee. The higher you borrow, the higher is the fee. All right, the higher the fee. Example, the highest one 200. Let's say you wanna open like 100. It only costs you 5 cents, but there is a fee behind it. And remember guys, there is a fee, and there is also a funding rate, which is when the market is too hot. There's a funding rate, which is, it didn't show in here where is the how much the funding rate on CoinW. It's not sure. I don't see any fund. Oh, this one. Oh, this one. The funding rate is 83%. Right, 83%. So yeah, that's how you calculate the fees and all the shit. So like right now, we gonna try to open like some position for you guys. We're gonna live opening some shit position, not for play, maybe for scalp, maybe for scalp. Let me check some good point to trade. To short term trade. Let me find something the good one. Oh, Egan. Let's check Egan. Holy moly, Egan. Holy moly. It's already performed like this. How about Pepe? No. Egan, Pepe. Pepe is already performed too. Everything seems performing today. Uh, I'm not. I'm just gonna today. I'm just gonna teach you the basic of the features of this one. I mean like how to trade, how to buy, how to sell, how to put stop loss, and I'm not teaching like how to do the basic, uh, the basic yet. Maybe next time. Next time is the basic because mine is hybrid, but I'm gonna do the basic. I'm gonna teach how to do the basic next time, but today I'm just gonna teach you how to use these features. I mean like you see, yeah, there's a funding rate countdown, so it's every like I think every 24 hour, so you have to pay everything. It's gonna cut your margin off if you open some position. So this is the funding rate, guys. Yeah, what else? Mistake. I'm gonna do some open position. I think like not in Pepe, not in Pepe. How about BSV? I need some good coin. Mm, this looks good. BSV looks tasty. Another high in here. So I think we can do scalping on this. We can do scalping. Yeah. I'm gonna put here and put stop loss around here, 1%. And I'm going to target BSV around 224. So let's open BSV kits. So here we go. Usually I don't do limit that much, so I'm gonna use in right away. So each entry I'm just gonna use like 17. Yes. My favorite leverage 17, and I'm just gonna use size like 800 each. Okay, so for cost only $50 each. So I'm just gonna open it. 1, 2. Mhm, 3. I'm gonna open 3 because I'm gonna teach you how to split. How to split. Okay, and I got 3 position. So this is the beauty of CoinW. We can split 3 and 3. Okay, the price is went down. Okay, I'm gonna add one more, 2 more, I think. I'm gonna add one more. I'm gonna add one more. Voila. So this is, we call it the DCA system, dollar cost average. But it's only on the future. It's only in the spot. There's no limit on it. There is no limit, but in futures, there's only 5. The maximum is 5 only. The maximum is only 5. So since the maximum is only 5, I don't think, I don't know. Yeah, let me try. Let me try. I think the last time is only 5. Did they upgrade now? Oh, it can do 6 right now. Oh, they do the upgrade. My bad. My bad. Last year is only 5. Last year is only 5. So okay. Stop loss is around. So we're gonna do scalping, yeah. 3844. And we're gonna target TB1 in here. We're gonna close some in here. Looks simple, guys, but I did this for over 14 years, so that's why like I can do like easily. But I'm gonna guide you guys. I'm gonna guide you. But it's hard to teach you like all of it. But I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try, guys. I'm gonna try. But only the basic. Only the basic, because all my strategy is complex. Complex. I learned the hard stuff, like all of it, like fucking all of it. So all right. So let's try to put the stop loss around 3844. Okay, everything is green right now. 3844. 3844 for the stop loss, because stop loss is the most important one, guys. Okay, some stop loss is the most important one. 3844. So look at this. So when we hit this area around 3844, you're gonna minus profit $12. So yeah, that's what happened. I'm not doing crazy stuff in this account. Not in this one, because this account I'm not trying to show off about like how crazy I am. I don't want to I don't want you guys to see that side of me, the crazy one, like the one that open high position and doing some crazy stuff. Yeah, I can do that. I can do that. But it's not gambling. It's not. So this is my teacher. This is what my teacher taught me. If you don't know where is the way is going to be, it's gambling, because you're gonna use the probability like 50%, like 50% up, 50% down. It's gambling. But if you can read the chart like a book, it's not gambling, because you use probability like to 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 know the way, like is it going up, or is it going down. So if you use probability, if you can read the chart like I did just now, just you can see, I mean, like you can see right away. Oh, okay. But if you just like, okay, 50-50, that's why like I can enter anywhere, anytime, what I want. I mean, like, but not all coin, but if some coin like that already like doing too much, I'm just gonna pass. But this thing, yeah, you can see like the support in here. Okay, we got support, breakout, false break, try to break, retest. So we got we got like 4 times support in here, and it's quite strong here. That's why I put stop loss in here. So that means we gonna hit higher from here. All right. So we got 2.5 ROI from here. We got 2.5 ROI. So if this thing hit, let's see. This is 5 minutes. This is 5 minutes. But we put the stop loss 38.44. Okay. I'm gonna put stop loss. Yeah, stop loss good. And right now, you can try to put the jackpot. So this is what I call like the last, uh, the last, the last TP. I call it the jackpot. The jackpot. So the jackpot is already 40 to 2. All right. So we're gonna put the jackpot around 40 to 2. All of it 40 to 2. Today I'm just gonna like chill. I've been trading like since morning, so I'm not gonna take the biggest position because I think all my biggest position in is in here right now. Yeah, I got like 28 position right now. See, I got around 28 position in here. This is the crazy position, the one that I told you about. But we're gonna use this one instead. 40 to 2. This is the cheating account. I mean, like that's why I call it the onion kids because this account is just the onion one. The onion kids. I call it this account the onion. Onion kids. Fucking onion kids. So, okay. Okay. All right. Excuse me. I need to drink. So if you guys watch on XX Crypto, what up guys? Hello, my name is Jay, and I don't play nice with people. I do sarcasm. I trash talk. So bear with me, guys. Sometimes my mouth I can't control my own mouth. So bear with me. Bear with me, guys. If you just know me, but on CoinW, you guys might know me. Oh, you might want a reversal. False break. Looks like gonna force break. But let's see if false break. I'm gonna do like some crazy stuff in here. Or retracement. Looks like retracement because we got okay. This is the X mark. Okay. But if this hole, we're gonna run. If this is if this thing break, we're gonna run. But it still look bullish. It still look bullish for now. But if this thing break, we're gonna run. And maybe I'm gonna short. I'm gonna short. I'm gonna reverse. I'm gonna show you how to reverse. I'm gonna Uno because this is resistance right now. How many? 3 minute. 3 minute. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 2, 57. If this thing keep closing like this, I'm gonna change my position. So I also gonna teach you how to reverse, or I call it Uno. So if you guys know like the kids game called Uno, like the card games, I mean like, so yeah, I call it Uno. Sometimes your decision is wrong, so you have to admit and you have to change the way if you know how, if you know it's the right way. But right now, still not sure. Since I'm using a scalping like 5 minutes right now, I'm still like waiting like for some signs, but looks like reject from the retracement here. Look like reject. Mm-hmm. I think I'm gonna Uno this and try to hit high, 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 low, 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 high, low, high, low. I need to wait until the candle close. I need to wait until the candle close. Mm. All right. I made my decision. I think I will reverse some. So this is reverse from long to short. I will reverse. I will reverse. I will reverse. This is I call Uno. I'm Uno it. I Uno 3 position. I wait until a little bit higher, and if this thing can go higher again, so I'm gonna cancel the longs. I change it right away to short. I'm gonna follow the trend here because even like it's going up, but sometimes the market doing like the crazy stuff like false break. Like this is false break. All right. So right now the position is hedging. We got 3 longs, 3 short, and when I know for sure until the next 1 minute, I'm gonna change all of it. I'm gonna Uno all of it. Okay, I'm gonna Uno all of it. So let's see the 1 hour still bullish, but look like wanna retrace. It looks like going to retrace. Yeah, look like it's going to retrace. 7 low, 11, 12. Okay. This look like going to retrace. Okay. The candle move. Yeah, look like retrace. Okay, I'm gonna Uno all of it. I'm gonna reverse all of it. I'm gonna short. Yep, I'm gonna short. Okay, short. Okay, if you guys want, you guys can. So this is how to limit. Yeah. So I have the limit entry to around 38.92. So we also can do limit here. 38.92. 38 92. Shit. Fuck. Why? What's wrong with the eh? I just put it in 39. Fuck. I'm just gonna put 39. Another size. And where's the stop loss? Stop loss is going to be 39.15. 39.15. Why I cannot? Shit. 39.15. And target is going to be 38.45. 38.45. 38.45. So I'm gonna put limit. So this is the limit order. Yeah, we got another limit order here. So this is how you limit. So limit is a buy order, the price that you desire. I mean, like if you think the price is going to be 39, okay, you just buy like around 39 around here. Unless we already changed into move into here. So we're gonna target this lower low, and I think we're going down. So all of it right now, our target is going to be 38.45 or 42 ish, but I'm just gonna put a little bit higher, 38.45 for all of it. So I'm just gonna leave it. So this is how we do reverse. This is the reverse the reverse walk. Okay, so 38.45. I'm just gonna lazy. I'm just gonna put one for you guys. 39.15 for the stop loss. 38.45 for the take profit. I'm just gonna use one for the example, and I'm just gonna close it all later if it's necessary. And let's see how it goes. It looks simple, but it's hard, guys. But it takes time. If you guys just a beginner, you need you need to reload, watch YouTube on Access Crypto or on CryptoBiz. So I'm on those YouTube, but if you on English user, just better watch me on Access Crypto because I only speak English on Access Crypto. On CryptoBiz, I always spoke Indo. So yeah, I'm in 2 3 channels in here, and let's see if I'm correct to uno this, because the reason I'm unoing, I saw this as the fucking false break. Sometimes when this thing is break out, sometimes the chart is not your friend. Chart is only a tool. So never trust chart. Just trust your knowledge. I mean, like if the chart's telling you like, oh, this thing to break, okay, trust at first at the beginning. But if you saw there is some kind of fake out, like this one is fake out, right? Just now it's fake out in here. This is a fake out. Okay, why is fake out? This is the resistance here. This is the resistance here, and it got rejected. I thought it was gonna break and going up again, but it break. Fortunately, it's break. Sometime, so remember guys, since I'm a confirmation, so there is a lot of type of trader, but mine is confirmation trader. So when I saw a confirmation, I'm just gonna in right away. I don't want to limit. I'm just a simple guy. I don't want to limit. I just like do the market in right away because I saw the confirmation. But some trader is like just the limit trader, like waiting until uh it goes to their area. But me, sometimes I'm doing that, but sometimes, but mostly I'm just doing the confirmation, which is we got the confirmation. All right, that's good. It's okay. What you see here, it's going back to the down sloping trend line. So this is a false break. This is a false break. Okay. See the clear false break here. False break. We also got down sloping trend line from here. We got 2 down sloping trend line. We got also here. Yeah, I'm gonna put the yellow. And we also got down sloping trend line from here to lower low. So it's possible we make it another higher low, lower low, lower low, and another lower low in here. So it makes sense. Makes sense. So trading is all about probability, guys. It's all about probability. It's not gamble that you're guessing. It's going up, it's going down. No, it's fucking gamble, man. If you do that, you fucking gamble. Like what you see in here on me today. It looks simple, but it's not simple. Trust me. Trust me. Just today, like the market look easy, but sometimes the market is like just sideways. That's why like if you guys begin on and if you see like the market is just chopping like this. I'm gonna give you an example. Don't trade like this one. It's danger. Sideways. I don't like sideways. It's choppy. It's choppy. It's choppy. Because up little bit and then go down. Down little bit, going up. There is no range on it. There is no range. So when the market there is like the range is small, it's hard to trade. So better you stay away from the market. Alright, this is what we look on 15 minutes. It look like rejection. Look like rejection to me. 5 minutes. We still got a limit around 39 or so. Mine is 39. Yeah, we got limits. You can put 2 limits, 39. Put my limit around 39 here. Okay. Let's see what they're gonna do again. Okay. Quite simple, guys. Actually, trading is simple. Just don't make it complicated. That's it. Me, I made it complicated because I want to understand everything inside the market. I want to understand everything. That's why I made myself complicated. That's why if you ask me like to teach you guys how to do all my stuff, I can't. I can't because mine is fucking complicated, and I can't. But for the basic like support, trend line, I can teach you, but for the, oh my god, it's hard. I don't know where to begin, guys. I don't know where to begin because it's a lot. It's a lot. But for the basic, like candlestick basic, chart pattern, what else? Support, supply and demand, and I can do that. Trend line, just the basic, but the hard way. Fib, I can do that. Fib, I can. Just the basic, but the hard one, I gave up. It's consume a lot of time, guys, which is I don't have, because which is I don't have the luxury about the time, guys. I mean, like I don't have the time anymore. Okay, it's going up again. Wanna hit my limit? Is this copying? Reject. Mm-hmm. It's kind of choppy there. Actually, the market is kind of choppy right now. This, I mean, like only this coin, but it's okay. We're just gonna, I'm just gonna teach you like how to do it. So, until we close it, and until we see something like to close. Because right now, I don't see anything like to close position. I don't see anything. I'm still thinking like this is going down, higher high, higher low, lower low, another lower low for sure. Another lower low, lower high. This could be the low high, or maybe another low high here. Okay, let's see. Okay, we're back. Our trend line. So the originally like we do long just now, but since today I teach you how to use all the features in here, like we did open buy, and we reverse it to sell, which is the short, because the chart is false break, and yeah, that's simple. That's simple. You just change right away. But if but don't do that if you're not sure where is the uh where where the candle is going to be. If you're not sure where the candle is going to be, don't do the reverse. Don't do the reverse. Just close it. Stop trade. That's my advice. If you're not sure, just don't trade. Just don't fucking trade. Just skip. Just skip. No need to trade. But only trade when you're sure about your trade. Okay. Only trade when you're sure about your trade. But if you're not sure about your trade, don't trade, guys. Don't trade. For what? For what? It's kind of like choppy right now. How's BTC doing right now? Still. What's BTC doing right now? Higher high, lower high. Hmm. Oh my. This is could be retracing here, but it could be not. Triangle on BTC. Or bullish pennant. Alright, this pattern is 50% chance probability. 50. How I know the probabilities? Remember, guys. Remember my keywords, okay? The flat line always the biggest probability, like 70%, 60%. Remember the flat line. So example like this, yeah. I'm gonna give you an example like this. This is the flat line. Yeah, this is the flat line, and this is the upsloping trend line. Okay, the flat line is always gave you the biggest probability, like 70%, 70% up, because the upsloping trend line at the bottom is like 30% something ish, so it's kind of hard to break it. That's why it's pumping. That's simple. The flat line is always the biggest. But if those like this, down sloping, up sloping, 50-50. 50-50. So that's why. Let's go back to BSV. And going up again. But remember, put stop loss right here. We never know. The market looks bullish actually, but we're shorting right now. But we do scalping only today. Okay, cannot be higher than this. Okay, it still can go here. It still can go here, but cannot be higher in here. If go higher in here, I'm gonna close it. If 39, if it goes 39, I'm gonna close it. But this is 5-minute candle. This is so volatile. But still, the 5 minutes, the 50 minutes is only like this. What's the volumes? Volume rising. Okay. Low, 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 low. Low, 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 low. Okay, hit our limit around 38.93. I'm gonna add one more. Don't copy me, guys. This is just example. This is just example. Don't copy me, please. This is just example, yeah. I think I'm gonna put the stop loss all in case this breakout. 39.15, 39.15. Just put stop loss only. 39.15. 39.15. 39.15. 39.15. Okay. In case it just blow off top, and just in case. Okay, it's going to hit my second entry, 39. We got limit 39 in here. Okay, 39 hit in here. Do I got it? No, still not. How much here? 38.99. Still no one selling here. Still no one selling. Yeah, still 38. In CoinW, still 38.99. Still no one selling here. Oh, 39. Yeah, this is the sell order. 38.99. So in the next 2 minutes, it had to close below here. If not, I'm gonna close all of it. But today it's not about trading. Today is about the example how to trade, how to open position, how to make a decision. So my decision making is to right now, since it's going up, if this candle right now in the next 2 minutes 1 minute. Sorry. Right now it's 2 to 18. So this is 5 minutes, right? Until the 5 minute closing candle, it has to be below 38.96. Why? Because if it doesn't below 38.96, it could be like going up again. So that's why I have to close it. I have to close it. If not doing that, I close it. That's simple. If close below here 38.96, I'm gonna add one more. So let's see. Let's see how it goes. This is 5 minute candle. Look fast. Look furious. 30 second. I'm gonna check 1 minute candle. 35. Still stay above the orange line. We're just gonna close it. No worries. At least I teach you how to open it, how to do that, how to reverse. 5 second. 5 second. Where you wanna go? 5 second. 5 second. You're gonna start. I'm just gonna give one more candle to close. This is one more minute. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Nah, close it. I don't like it. Close it. Close it all. That's simple. Close it all. Discipline. It's going up again. Just look for a break. Bam. It's up again. So we're right at the beginning. But it's okay. Today point is not live trading, guys. The today point is not live trading. Sometimes I'm doing live trading session with you guys, but today point is just how to trade for the beginners. How to use this, how to use that, how to use this. But I think I already explained everything. How to use all the features in here. But next time, I think I'm just gonna teach you guys how to detect the support, resistance, and something like that. But today, just gonna like example. That's okay. Just a couple bucks to teach you guys. See, that's why we close it. That's why we close it. I have to be disciplined, guys. I have to be disciplined. That's what I know. Like. Okay. Close it. Bam. Blow off top. So at first we correct the longs, but we change it. Just for example. Alright, guys. I think this is how to trade for beginner. But next time, maybe I'm just gonna teach you guys how to do the support, resistance, and breakout strategy and some indicator. But until next time, guys, and chill out. Thanks for watching, guys.